Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.5, Problem 4. This is Section 3.5, Problem 4. We have 1.164 divided by 6. So for a problem like this, the decimal will just come straight up into the answer, just in line. So for us, 6 divides into 1. 1's not big enough for 6 to fit, so go over to the next digit. So now we're going to divide 6 into 11. It'll almost go in twice. 2 6s would be 12, but only fit once. So 1 times 6 is 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. Bring down the next digit to the right, which is a 6, so it'll come down next to the 5 that we got as remainder. 56. 6 divides into 56 9 times. 9 times 6 is 54. Subtract 56 minus 54 is 2. Bring down the next digit to the right. The next digit over is a 4. 6 divides into 24 4 times. Goes in evenly. 4 times 6 is 24. There's nothing left over. Now the answer is 0.194. Some people like to write a 0 in front, which is fine. 0.194.